Hi, if you missed our face-to-face lesson, please review this screencast for some tips on how to successfully pass the course. It isn't easy sitting alone in front of your computer trying to learn English by yourself. So here's some tips on how to do so. First of all, set up a directory in your computer for this course. Work on English a few times a week. Keep up with the Moodle tasks and assignments. Always review the feedback from me or the feedback in Moodle quizzes themselves. And check the lesson sum up every week. Email if you have a question. Email me if you want to meet on campus face-to-face. And always review your midterm exam. Now we're looking at the top of our Moodle course. We call this the top of Moodle. You can see the meeting days for the face-to-face lessons for both the Tuesday group and the Thursday group. Just a reminder, Group 93 meets on Tuesday, Group 95 meets on Thursday. Here also you have the dates for our midterm and Moed Aleph. Now we're still at the top of Moodle. At the very top are tips on how to email me. Next is the Luach Hodaot. There's a separate one for Tuesday and a separate one for Thursday. After that is the course syllabus. Also a separate one for Tuesday and a separate one for Thursday. Be sure you download it and read it very, very carefully. After that is the Course Overview PowerPoint Spring 2018. This is a more detailed overview of the course. Next, you see How To. The first one is a Moodle quiz, seeing your feedback. If this is your first time in an English course at Rupin, or your first online course, do this task just to see how you will receive your score. Now we're still in the How To section at the top of Moodle. Next is the rubric for assessing writing. We have many writing tasks, and you will have a 10-point writing question on each exam. This shows you how you receive your score for the writing questions. Then there are about 7 links to different digital tools, including online dictionaries. So how does the course work? Every week there's a lesson, except for the week of Pesach. It opens on Tuesday for Group 93 and Thursday for Group 95. You have 1 week to upload the assignments and submit the Moodle quizzes and hot potatoes which are embedded in Moodle. Everything is due a week later by 8 a.m. You'll get feedback within a week, and you can check the lesson sum up weekly for further feedback. If you do not do the assignments or the tasks for a lesson, you get a 0 for each assignment and task, and you'll be marked absent for the week. If you do half of the tasks and assignments, then you're there for half a lesson. And let me remind you here that if you miss more than 20% of the course, you cannot sit for the final exam. Only people who are in Miluim or other exceptional situations, like hospitalization, can have extensions for completing the assignments and tasks. Now, we can't read your minds, but we can read your writing. So if you have a question, email. You can also set up an appointment to meet in the office, or we can chat online. But don't stay silent when you have a question or have a problem with tasks. So, how to email me. First of all, I'll be using the email that you gave to Rupin. Second is the subject line. If there is no subject line in the email, it goes into my spam, and it will not be read. So what should you put in the subject line? Put your first name and the last name initial, the course number, 93 or 95, or Tuesday or Thursday, and the topic of your email. Tell me what your email is going to be about. After you've written the content, sign it with your full name, please. Here are some sample subject lines. Sheer G, 93. Moodle quiz lesson 3, getting the topic won't open. Ronnie H. Excuse me. Thursday, Miluim, midterm exam. Tirza, 95. Can't see corrections, writing, problem, solution. When I see your subject line, I know how important it is and how quickly I need to answer you or make corrections. This is how your course grade is broken down. You have a class grade, which is all your Moodle tasks and uploaded assignments. You have the midterm, and you have the final exam. This is an unseen. You must bring a dictionary, but no internet dictionaries allowed. So, to wrap up, keep up with the work. Don't leave everything to the night before it is due. Write me if you have questions, or you see a mistake in Moodle. I'll get to it based on your subject line. That subject line is very important for me to act in a timely manner. I wish you good luck in the course, and I'll leave up these quotes, inspirational quotes for you to read. Good luck.